Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how we can create a Sitecore Marketplace application within your XM Cloud. For that, you'll need access to the portal.sitecorecloud.io. Once you have access to this, you'll have to navigate to the Developer Studio. Once you navigate to the Developer Studio, you'll see an option where in which you can create an application. Click Create App, enter the app name, select the custom, click Create. Your application is now created. Let's go ahead and configure this application to make it available across the various applications. So to configure this app, click on Configure App. You will see various locations in which the app can be available. Those are known as extension points. So let's say I want like my app to be available at full screen. We'll say it full screen. Standalone. I say full screen. So let's say if your app is going to use the XM Cloud APIs, you can go ahead and select XM Cloud APIs over here, click save. For deployment URL and app logo, deployment URL for local can be like HTTPS localhost 3000, and for app logo URL, you will have to have the app logo hosted in like a storage location or like from a CDN, so that we have a public URL of that logo, and that should be in either JPG or PNG format or SVG format. So we have entered the app name now, and similarly we will have to enter the have the logo URL with us, so that we can proceed ahead and activate the app. Unless and until you have the logo URL, you won't be able to proceed ahead and activate the app. Again, just ensure like it doesn't has like a dummy URL or so, because it will ask you to it will fetch for the logo, or else you won't be able to activate this app. Let's say if I add some dummy URL now here, https colon my logo dot png, and hit save. It says the URL ends with the png over here, and that ends in there. So that's the issue. So let me bring up the logo URL. Now I have the logo URL handy, so let's go ahead and enter that logo here. Just click save. So I entered it. So it should be either the logo must be in the size of 500 cross 100, and it's saying it is giving me the error because since this is the required condition. Now if you can see, I've entered the URL over here, the logo URL, and now if I click on activate, it will give me this option to activate. Unless and until you don't have the app URL and app logo URL, it won't give a screen to activate. So now if we click on activate, you'll see the app has been activated. Now let's go back to the my app section, so to see our apps available and install it in the XM Cloud environment when we want to install. So once the application is created, the status is like to be installed. So if you click on this install, you'll see various XM Cloud environment you have access to, instance you have access to. Let's say I am clicking like I want access to this dev environment for a sec. So I'll go ahead and click it and install it. This way you'll be able to install the XM Cloud. They are within the XM Cloud.